To edit a saved item, go to the Items tab and then click on the pencil icon for the item you want to change. Make the changes to your item, then click on the Update button to save those changes. If you instead want to save this as a new item, click on the New button. If you need to make the same change to multiple similar line items, then use the Global Change option. Click on the name of the option you want to change. A new window will pop up. Change the option you want, then click on the Make Global Changes button. You will see a list of items that have been altered by your change. Exit out of this window when you're done.